Hello everyone, Gokhan is here. Today I'm going to talk about how to make $50 in an hour. Actually, you can do it more. It depends on your performance. In order to explain each process, each steps in the process, I'll share my desktop. Here we go. As I said before, to make $50 per hour, you need to have a LinkedIn account. So opening LinkedIn account is very easy. So I don't want to waste time to explain how to get in LinkedIn account. So, but just you need to fill out this form, and then you can get in your LinkedIn accounts. Now I have already LinkedIn account, so I don't want to waste your time with LinkedIn. Our application, web application, is Capterra. This Capterra is a SaaS platform that provides some reviews on the other softwares. So how can we make money? Writing reviews. Capterra pays $5 per review, per published review. So we need to write some reviews that should be published by the Capterra to make $50 per hour. So how can we start it? We start with write a review. When we get in write a review, when I click, we should write it down as software name. What should be, for instance, Google. When I write down Google, yeah, you can see the softwares made by Google. For instance, we would like to write a review on Google Hangouts. Capterra has already get in my LinkedIn account, but I'd like to show you what's the importance of LinkedIn account in this process. So I will sign out, then I will sign in again, and yeah, write a review. When I Google, yeah, Google Hangouts. Yes, as you see, there's a form. Save time, sign in with LinkedIn. Yeah, sign in with LinkedIn. I clicked. Yeah. As you see, LinkedIn, there's a automatically approval process to get in LinkedIn. So I clicked sign in. As you see, Capterra checked out my LinkedIn profile, so my all reviews on the other softwares checked by Capterra. So I need to write my job title. Hangouts. He asks, how long have you been using this software? 1 and 2 years. Weekly or monthly. I'm a user. What's your role in using this software? And it asks post review and anonymously. It doesn't matter. And he asks your evaluation, your assessment on overall quality. Not bad. Ease of use, yeah, it's very easy. Features and functionality, yes, it's very good. And he asks about customer support and value for money. But as you know, Google Hangouts is free, and generally you don't need to get a customer support. If you need, you can also make an assessment for that one. And Capterra asks us, how likely is that you will recommend Google Hangouts to a friend or a colleague? Yeah, maybe I can recommend Google Hangouts to my friends. And I gave 9 out of 10. Now, title for review. Capterra lists out the title of my previous reviews. Easy and user friendly. It's free face-to-face communication software. Capter asks, what did you like most about software? Yeah, and asks, what did you like least about the software? And you need to write at least 40 characters. When I think about the feature that Hangouts has, that least like is maybe file transfer limit is restricted, but not a big deal. Capter asks us to describe our overall experience with Google Hangouts. It's worth to use. Did you switch from another product? No. The most important point in these reviews, all reviews are controlled by manually, so you need to write it down logical and real reviews, because Capter's aim is trying to help other people when they select a software. So we earn $5. It's not a big deal, but it should be real, because we should be honest on writing reviews on Captera. So I'll submit this form. Your product review has been submitted, and your reviews will help other business users like yourself make better software decisions. As I explained before, our reviews will be read by another users. So when I submit the form, I'll open my email and I will get an email from Captera. Yeah, as you see, thanks for your review of Google Hangouts on Captera. What to expect next? Only approved and published reviews will be rewarded as a gift card, and Captera gives $5. You can write 10 reviews, so totally you can make $50 per hour. It's not a big deal, but it's not bad. If you have spare time, instead of wasting time on social media, you can write 10 reviews for Captera, and you can earn $50. Write another 10 reviews for another softwares, and you can earn $50 more. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and please share this video to reach out more people. Maybe they need some money. Hope to see you next video.